Zhejiang Lantu Packaging, owned by Optical Group, was founded in 1994. We are located in Wenzhou Luqiao Industrial Zone with developed transportation. Lantu is a high-tech enterprise specializing in design, R&D, manufacturing, and marketing, always providing high-quality and competitive packaging products to the customers. With nearly 30 years, Lantu is constantly innovating, digitalizing, and intellectualizing to improve labor efficiency by robust replacing humans and optimizing process flow. We persist in tailoring your ideal packaging solution through professional and customer-oriented services. Lantu has introduced advanced equipment such as Heidelberg 6-color printing press, Komori printing press, and automatic die cutting and stripping machine. Investing in the latest production facilities and building dozens of assembly lines reach the whole process automation. All boxes and bags are well tailored with printing, foiling, texturing, embossing, spot UV, etc. Lantu introduces advanced smart technology to build digital workshop and bring convenience for work. Through superb workmanship, standardization management, rigorous quality, and perfect service, Lantu outputs satisfied quality for customers' diversified demands. Substandard product is minimized for outgoing goods after the strict inspection in each process. Lantu has passed FSC Forest certification, CETIX, ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, and acquired dozens of patents. Lantu products include premium rigid boxes, folding cartons, and corrugated boxes. We dedicate a sustainable concept to develop recycled, biodegradable, recyclable, low-carbon packaging products for eyewear, auto parts, cosmetics, personal care appliances, and smoking sets industries, which are widely sold to Europe, America, Oceania, and Southeast Asia, with extending green to the world. We are establishing Lantu as one of the leading paper packaging providers.